Hey guys, I'm at the Perkins Vancouver studio today. Perkins is a global design firm focused on sustainable, innovative architecture that enhances well-being and community resilience. Check out this amazing green wall. I love how they bring nature inside the office. It's not just for show, it's part of their commitment to sustainable design. This is a kitchen area, super cozy, right? It's a perfect spot for a coffee break or a quick chat with colleagues. And look at this, their own design library. There's so many amazing architecture and landscape books here. It's like a hidden gem for inspiration. Now, this is cool. The 3D printing space. This is where all those creative ideas turn into real models. It's so cool to see design come to life like this. The desk setup is quite unique. No one has an assigned desk. To work, you reserve a spot ahead of time, bring your laptop, and plug in when you arrive. It's a flexible, modern way of working. So that's my quick tour of Perkins Vancouver. Thanks for joining me.